some ABC songs with me.
Let's learn that A says ah. Come out and play with me. Slide down my apple tree. Let's eat an apple. Give me a bite or two, and we'll be best of friends, just me and you. The baby asked for her bottle. The baby asked for her bottle. The baby asked for her bottle to see what she could say. And all that she could say was ba 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 was all that she could say. Glimmercat's chilly. She's out in the freeze. She'd like to be warm, so she's saying her C's. For C is for cozy and cold, comfort and caring and consoled. A cup of hot cocoa so she doesn't sneeze will make her feel better in the cool winter breeze.
Glimmercat has found a drum, found a drum, found a drum. Glimmercat has found a drum in the daisies. Drumming dee goes da da da, da da da, da da da. Drumming dee goes da 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 in the daisies.
The elf, he says, eh. The elf, he says, eh. It's cold outside, he wears his muffs. The elf, he says, eh. The E, it says, eh. The E, it says, eh. Just like elf, it makes a sound. The E, it says, eh. The flag is flapping in the wind, fa-fa, fa-fa. The flag is flapping in the wind, fa-fa, fa-fa. Glimmercat has found a flag. She marches on, she does not lag. And we all know F says fa, fa-fa, like a flag in the wind.
Glimmercat will drink her juice, drink her juice, drink her juice. Glimmercat will drink her juice by the letter G. The sound she makes is ga ga ga, ga ga ga, ga ga ga. The sound she makes is ga ga ga, like the letter G.
The kitty got a hot dog and it's hot, ha ha ha. She thought she put on ketchup, but it's hot, ha ha ha. When you find a sauce that is red, be certain that it's ketchup and it's not hot sauce instead. All around the letter I, the inchworm squirmed so pretty. He saw a cat and whispered, "Hi, said the kitty. Glimmercat will jump the J, ja-ja, ja-ja. Glimmercat will jump the J and with her jump rope play. She'll jump the J all day, jump the J all night. Glimmercat will jump and play, jump all day. Glimmercat karate chopped the board, ki-ya. The board it split, it made a sound, ka-ka, ka-ka. The letter K, it makes that sound like the board that shatters up and down. K says ka-ka, like a board that breaks in a karate round. Lampposts aren't for licking, now Glimmercat is sticking. Her tongue is stuck fast to that pole, and all that she can say is lull. Glimmer Kitty found some milk, found some milk, found some milk. Glimmer Kitty found some milk and slurped down every drop. She licked her lips and she said, she said, she said, She licked her lips and she said, No need for a mop. If you ever find a nest in a tree, listen to their mom and leave it be. Little birdie moms will say, na 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 na, get away. Little birdie eggs don't smell like you and me. She met an opossum in a tree. He was eating up olives happily. She thought it looked so neat. She asked for some to eat by saying, oh, oh, olives for me. If you meet an opossum in a tree, and he is eating up his olives happily, even if he wants to share, you should probably be aware, oh, oh, olives don't taste good right off the tree. Kernels in a roasting pot, now let's make some popcorn. Hear them pop when they get hot. Pah! Goes the popcorn. Lots of little puffs to eat. Buttery, salty popcorn. Now enjoy this noisy treat. Pah! Goes the popcorn. I shoot it from my bow. Quah! Flies the arrow. Quah, 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 quah. It lands in the tree. Raccoons can make so many sounds, a trill, a scream, a purr. You know exactly what they mean when they growl out, "Urgh!" It's time raccoons are not our friends when they're mad, you know. Now it's time to go. I met a snake up in a tree. He stuck his tongue out right at me. He said, "S, quick as can be." He knew his letter S sound. The snake hung low down on his limb. He looked so sleek and slim and trim. I whispered S right back at him. I know my letter S sound. A tippy, a tappy, tappity. Someone's wearing tap shoes. Oh, look! It's our kitty. A tippy, a tappy, tappity. T says t, so do the shoes upon our tapping kitty. There was some rain that fell on me. I got out my umbrella, tried to open it, open it, open it as raindrops fell on me. The letter U, it sounds like me with a stuck umbrella. Is the sound, is the sound, is the sound like the letter U, you see? There's a vacuum in the snow, in the snow. Oops, it turned on, oops, it turned on. V, 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 v. Wah, wah is the sound of the windmill fan, whirling with the wind that blows as swiftly as it can. Wah, wah is the sound of the W. When we see it in a word, wah is what we do. Break a bone, cry and moan, run to the doctor who checks it out. She'll want to be sure that there is no doubt. An x-ray is taken to find that out. X, 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 x. The yo-yo is a toy that anyone can play. You yank it up its string and then you let it fall away. And when it's up, it's up. And when it's down, it's down. It starts with the letter Y and yeah, it's a sound, sound, sound. In the garden, sleeping by the zinnias, is the kitty, oh so pretty, and she's making the sound of Z.
If you liked these songs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and sing along again and again.